Hey guys, Andy Glass here, workshopaddict.com. I'm at the 2017 PROspective event by Home Depot. We're here with Brandon at the Ramset booth. Tell us a little bit about him.
So Ramset is powder actuated fastening. It's the way that you fasten wood to concrete without pre-drilling. It is kind of the brand as it relates to powder actuated fastening. What it does is it takes a gunpowder load and drives a hardened steel pin through wood into concrete. You can actually attach to steel as well with this product.
What are some of the applications?
So generally applications are sill plates when you're putting a wall in on concrete, furring out basements, putting your furring strips into block walls. You can also hang conduit clips and just a ton of applications where you need to go into concrete or steel fastening to it.
Gotcha.
Yep. So Ramset, again, a pro brand, part of the ITW portfolio of pro brands. The 4 tools that we carry at Home Depot are all pro grade tools. They're just based on the frequency of use and the application that you would use them in. You can start at about $25 for a single shot. You hit it with a hammer and it gets the job done.
Affordable.
Very affordable for, again, for the less frequent user, the remodeler that might not do it as often. You can do it without a hammer for about $50 with the trigger shot. When you step up to the Mastershot, now you're talking about a much more comfortable design, but we brought a silencer over. So a particular application for this is when you are in an occupied building or you're in a very enclosed space and you want to reduce the noise, you'd go with the silencer in the Mastershot. These 3 tools are all, again, the 22 caliber single shot tools. The 4th tool in the lineup is the Cobra Plus. Here's where you get into a really high frequency user. This is a semi-automatic tool. It goes to a 27 caliber load.
A little bit larger
load, more powerful. It's also it's put in a strip, and so it's a semi-automatic tool. So every time you cycle a tool, it brings the next load up. So at that point, all you're doing is loading the pin in, driving, cycle a tool, and you keep going.
This is really geared for someone that's doing this day in
a very high frequency user, again, somebody who's furring out a whole basement. Electricians use it for laying conduit clips and that kind of stuff, so a very versatile tool. This tool is new, or an improvement, just launched, where we brought the silencer from that onto this tool. So again, occupied spaces and enclosed buildings, it's great for that. So we want to shoot it for you to let you see what it actually does.
Awesome. Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Ryan, bring us around over here.
All right, again, so quite simply, load the tool, cycle a load in, put a pin in, safety glasses, of course. And here we have a typical application of a 2x4 or 2x6 into a concrete. Push down on the tool, pull, and you can see that that pin is driving through the wood into the concrete and fully fastens that.
That's way quieter than I was expecting or
Much quieter, yeah. We really made great improvements in the tool, and again, from a durability standpoint and ergonomics, it's much better. Finally, what we did on this tool is we put what's called a power adjust on there. So generally loads come in different power of loads, red, green, or yellow, red, yellow, or green.
That's what you have here?
That's what we have here. So if you're going into really soft block, get by with a green, more medium density concrete, a yellow, but if you're going into really high PSI or very old concrete, you probably need a red load. What we did on the tool was we gave you a power adjust that if you're overdriving the load, you can actually use that power adjust to back the power down a little bit without changing your loads. And so it's just a nice flexibility for the pro as they move through a job site. They might need that flexibility. But that's Ramset, powder actuated fastening. Ramset's the brand, available at the Home Depot.
I'm Andy Glass with workshopaddict.com. I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.